Welcome. In front of me I have a Fossil Gen 6 FTW 4066 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Wear OS application, this one. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. As you can see here, we have our Fossil Gen 6. And if you don't have required permissions enabled for the notifications to work, you will see message right here. As you can see, we have this button, turn on watch notifications. Tap on this button. If you see this pop up, basically allow notification access, we need to tap on allow. Let's try tapping on this again. It will redirect us to the device and app notifications. And here, make sure that the Wear OS by Google is allowed. Once it's allowed, we can go back. But if it's not allowed, enable it and allow it. So let's go back. And as you can see, we have more pop-ups about the permissions. This is for the text messages. So if you want to use the option to reply to your text messages on the watch, you need to allow some permissions, or you can deny them and keep it disabled. I'm gonna allow it for the sake of the video. Same for the calls. And once you're done and you don't have any more messages, you can scroll down, tap on notifications here, and we can tap on change watch notifications. And right here we have the list of apps on our phone, and basically we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically, if you enable the notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, it will be only displayed on your phone. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, you can go back, and now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone, and if you recap the screen on our watch, we also have it. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, I believe you can swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.